Oh, hello friends, and welcome to day 11 of the 30-day Green Living Challenge. Today's challenge, Xander and I, he doesn't have to worry so much about it, but today's challenge, real simple, take your shoes off when you get in the house. So that's what I'm going to do. Leave my shoes right over here. Every day when I get home, take my shoes off. Why is that so important? You may think, well, who cares if you leave your shoes on or not? Well, actually, if you take your shoes off here, you don't get it so dirty over there. So you keep the rest of your house clean, cleaner. That way all the dirt is contained to this area that you dragged up, especially in the springtime here. I know my driveway, my yard is really wet. So it's getting muddy, and I don't want to drag all that mud into the house. But even in the summer when it's dry, you still have dirt on your shoes, on your sneakers. When you go in the house, you're dragging that into the house, which means you have to vacuum more. Vacuuming uses electricity. Mopping, are you using chemicals? We already talked about green cleaning, but the less you have to clean, the more you got to go out. The more environmentally friendly, he wants to go back out, the more environmentally friendly it is. So that's why you want to take your shoes off when you enter the house. So that's your challenge for day 11. Just take your shoes off. That's simple. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel on YouTube so that you can get all these videos all in one place. Have a great one.